let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to convert the given voltage sources to current sources. So I have what? I have voltage source. Okay, so I assume that this is my ground. Okay, this is my ground. So my negative terminal is connected to the ground. Okay, and my positive terminal is going to go to the circuit, right? But you're supposed to realize that when we have voltage source connected in this way, we're supposed to simply draw the current source, right? The current source, and the arrow has to be pointed up. Next, we're supposed to connect the resistor in parallel with the current source. Okay, this is my point A, this is my point B, this is my resistor R1, which is equal 4K, and you have to find the current IS. IS is equal Vs over R1 in this case. Vs is equal 12 volts. So I have 12 volts divided by R1, which is equal 4 kilo ohms, is equal 3 milliamps. Okay, so I'm supposed to write that this is IS 3 milliamps. Okay, so I can say that the first part of the problem is solved. This is my current source. Next, again, I'm going to assume that this is my ground. I can redraw the circuit, and I can say that this is my voltage source going this way. This is the ground. This is my resistor. Okay, because they are in series. It doesn't matter in which one is going to be first, right? So in what way you are going to draw it, this one at the top or this one at the bottom, or this one at the resistor at the top and voltage source at the bottom. So it basically doesn't matter in this case. So this is my R2, this is my output X, and this is my point Y. So this is positive terminal, negative. So please notice that this time the positive terminal is connected to the ground. So it means, okay, the current is going to be pushed down, right? That's why I'm going to draw the current source in this way with the arrow pointing down. Okay, and this is my resistor R2. Okay, this is my ground. This is my point X. This is my point Y. My resistor R2 has value of 8 kilo ohms. It's the same resistance which we had at the beginning. And now we're supposed to find the current. Current IS, we can say IS, okay, is also could be equal IE, because we have given E over here, is equal E divided by R2, where E is equal 32 volts over R2, 8 kilo ohms. So IS, or we can say this is my IE, is equal 4 milliamps. So I can say this is IE equals 4 milliamps. So this is my equivalent current source. Okay, and this is my original voltage source. So we convert the voltage source to the current source, and this is my solution.